Hi there, I'm Christy. Welcome to my kitchen, to my home, to my homestead, and to my channel. In today's video, I am participating in the Three Rivers Challenge. This pantry challenge that I have volunteered myself to do and participate in is focusing on using food that I've grown right here in my own backyard. So in this pantry challenge, you're going to get to see me make this. Using many ingredients that I grew here on our homestead and preserved or bought in bulk or bought from another local farmer. I hope you enjoy, and I hope that this content interests you, in some way inspires you, and let me know in the comments, are you participating in this pantry challenge? And if you are, where are you participating from? I'd love to know. I hope you enjoy. I'll see you in a bit. Rummaging through my pantry, I found this half packet of cream of leek soup that it was left over from Christmas. In the freezer, I found some tortellini. On the shelf, I found some purple peacock beans that had been freeze-dried, some broccoli that had been freeze-dried, and in the fridge, I found some spinach that is starting to get to its prime. I also found some cottage cheese that was freeze-dried that I wanted to use up. If I didn't have freeze-dried ingredients, I would be using fresh ones just the same. And then I have some chicken out thawed, ready to go. So for today's dinner, I just chopped up an onion into little slices. And what is this called? I think it's called butterflying. I'm not sure the technical word. I cut a chicken breast in half and made it flat. And then I scored it. I don't know why I do this when I'm making saucy dishes, but I like to score the outside of the meat and just to help it absorb the marination and the flavors of the sauce that it's going into. So I heated up a pan and started sauteing some onions in some olive oil. I put some tortellini into some boiling salted water, and I added some garlic to the onions as they were sauteing in the pan. I have a love-hate relationship with this garlic press. I'm not sure if I want to keep it or not. Anyway, I just gave it a good stir to make sure that garlic did not burn in my pan. And I added in the leek soup. It was just a half pack, and then I added in some cashew milk. It was kind of like the same concept of a roux, but it was not really. Then I added some cream cheese. I found a half of a block in the fridge that I wanted to throw in there, and then I just tossed in the freeze-dried veggies, the green beans and the broccoli. Fresh or frozen would have worked as well. I also added in a couple handfuls of spinach and a couple handfuls of the freeze-dried cottage cheese, and I gave it a splash of pasta water just to kind of help reconstitute that. And then I found another half block of cream cheese, so I used that up. Next, I drained the pasta and I threw it in this little baking dish. I will link it below. I love this thing. It's the perfect size for dinners. And then I just tossed in the mixture that I made, the cream of leek soup mixture with the broccoli, and added some more of the freeze-dried cheese on top, and then I added some mozzarella on top to finish off a bag I found in the fridge. I was actually impressed that I made it through a dish without adding any chives. Okay, never mind. It was a little over full. I put it in the oven and I was so nervous, and yep, it overflowed. So next I added some water into that saucepan I made the sauce with, and I found 2 packets of that OXO cup of soup flavoring. It was the chicken flavor, and I thought I would use them up and toss them into this water in this pan and get it simmering on the stove to begin making my sort of like a balsamic sauce that I was going for. I got the little grill thing out and added some oil to it, got it hot, and then threw the chicken on there, which, by the way, the chicken was seasoned with salt and pepper. In the sauce, I added some zesty Italian salad dressing, a couple tablespoons into the water OXO mixture, and then I added some coconut sugar that I found in the pantry. I just got a shipment in of new stuff that I ordered in December, so I wanted to use this container up as much as I could in this dish. It wasn't very sweet because coconut sugar, it has a lower glycemic index, and
It's not as sweet as regular sugar. I added some granulated garlic, about a tablespoon. I also added some salt and pepper. Gave the chicken breast a flip, and it was looking nice and browned. Stirred up the sauce, added some balsamic vinegar. I think it was probably about a quarter of a cup. Next, I added in some chili pepper flakes and decided it was time to pull this casserole out of the oven, and it actually smelled really, really nice. It was really good. The chicken was nice and ready to go into the sauce. Because Chaz had curling and basketball tonight and Tyson had hockey, I wanted to put these in the oven so that as each of them was coming home, that they could eat and it would still be warm. So I just kind of got the sauce all ready, kept it thinner instead of thickening it, and just wanted to pour it over the chicken and pop it into the oven. So I just transferred the chicken into a glass baking dish, and I was a little concerned about the chicken drying out, but it wasn't too bad. So the sauce was nice and bubbly, and I just poured it right on over. It smelled so, so good. I really enjoy making balsamic chicken. This is kind of like a marinated chicken while it's cooking almost. It was really nice. I really enjoyed making it this way, and I will definitely do it this way again. Because the tortellini overflowed, the smoke detector was going off. It really annoys me because whenever that happens, my husband always says, "Is that the dinner bell?" And anyway, the casserole dish turned out really great. I really don't think there was a much difference making it with the freeze-dried ingredients. I personally do not like tortellini. Neither does my husband. He does not like tortellini. He does not like broccoli. He doesn't like anything. So he actually enjoyed this, and when he tasted it, he didn't complain. He actually ate all of it, which was awesome because he is a very picky eater. Mr. Fussy Eater.
Do you want a review or not? Keep yapping on.
How fussy is Tyson? He doesn't like cooked broccoli. He doesn't like spinach, especially cooked spinach, green beans, or any kind of beans. He really doesn't like chicken breast, especially roasted chicken breast. He likes cheese. He does not like cashew milk. He hates it. He does not like leeks. He likes cheese. He likes cheese. I wasn't saying anything. He refers to balsamic vinegar as beaver urine, with a different word he uses, but I just have to question, how does he know? Do you like it?
Not polite to talk to him all full. Yes, I do. I really like it.
Even the cooked vegetables?
Huh?
Even the cooked vegetables?
Oh, there's cheese on it. Oh.
It's hot. So it's husband approved?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. If you like this kind of content, make sure you give this video a like, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can come back for the next one. See you next time.